Welcome to Machine Shop channel. This is a step-by-step guide video on how to install Autodesk Inventor. Whether you're a student, engineer, or designer, this video will walk you through the entire installation process. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements. You'll need Windows 10 or 11 64-bit, greater than at least 16 gigabytes of RAM, 40 gigabytes of free disk space, greater than a compatible graphics card. Step 1. Go to the Autodesk website. That's autodesk.com. If you're a student or educator, you can access Inventor for free through the education section. Once you open the Autodesk website, click on Visit our ASEAN site. Step 2. Create or sign into your Autodesk account. Step 3. After creating or signing into your Autodesk account, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the page. Then select Products and Services from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to a list of all the Autodesk software available to you. Once the site opens, you can scroll down to find Inventor or take a moment to explore the other software tools available in your account, like AutoCAD, Revit, or Fusion 360. After you find Inventor in the list, click to expand it. Step 4. Select the version, operating system, and language. Since my license is for Inventor version 2023, I'll select the 2023 version for this video. If your license allows for the latest version, you can go ahead and select that instead. Step 5. Click Install Now or Download depending on your preference. Once the installer is downloaded, run the file. You may be prompted to allow changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. Step 6. Installation process and waiting time. The Autodesk installer will now launch. Review the license agreement, choose your installation location if needed, or leave it as default. Click Next. If you want to leave it as default, click Next. Click Install to start the process. Installation time may vary depending on your internet speed and system performance. It could take anywhere from 10 to 45 minutes, so be patient.
A few moments later.
Step 7. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message prompting you to restart your computer or laptop. Please do that. Restarting helps ensure the software runs smoothly on your system. Step 8. Activation and first launch. Once your computer or laptop has restarted, go ahead and click Launch Now to open Autodesk Inventor. The first time you launch Inventor, you may be asked to sign in again with your Autodesk ID to activate the software. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main interface. Set up your workspace preferences, such as units, display options, and tool layout. And that's it. You're now ready to start designing with Autodesk Inventor.